Need some extra money to pay bills and support your family? Or maybe you've tried everything to earn some extra money to treat yourself occasionally, but it just isn't happening. Everything appears to be far too difficult, and some of them are obvious scams. In today's video, we are going to do the opposite of what you would expect. I will show you how to make your first $100 or even $500. This technique has been used successfully many times and is offered at no cost. The best part is that it is accessible to people everywhere. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Instead of making actual sales or providing actual services, we will just be smart and make a commission on the Fiverr site every day. It is possible to make a substantial income by referring individuals to our site and convincing them to sign up for various services. Therefore, we don't require any prior experience if we proceed in this manner. If you promote the Fiverr site, you can earn daily commissions without ever having to make a sale. Don't worry, this guide is designed to be simple enough to complete newbies to follow along with. How much can you make from this website? In today's video, I am going to talk about Fiverr affiliates. All you have to do is type in Fiverr affiliates in your browser. Tap the first result that shows up, so you'll be taken to their affiliate page directly. Click on Join Now to start your sign-up journey. Just fill in the necessary details, especially the ones with the asterisk. Once you're done, hit Next. You will then be taken to the next set of questions. For the first one, you can select as many answers as you want. Next, select your audience's key interests. The last thing you should do here is to make sure you tick these last two boxes. Then click Register Now to finish this form. You'll then see a message from Fiverr, and now you're a Fiverr affiliate. But before that, let's find out how much you'll earn. Let's explore that by typing in affiliates.fiverr.com in your browser. Select Commission Plan right here. Here you can see that there are essentially two different commission plans available in Fiverr, the CPA plan and the hybrid plan. Let's start with the CPA commission in Fiverr, where you may make anything from $15 to $150. But what factors determine whether we make $15 or $150? It depends on the niche and services you promote. But before we continue, please take a moment to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can see more money-making strategies from us. Now, let's go back to the video. You can promote the Fiverr Pro services. For instance, if you want to earn $150 in commission from a single sale. Now, I'll show some of the Fiverr Pro services that you can recommend to others. The professional logo design services offered might cost as much as $500, $1,000, or $3,000. Standard prices for Fiverr's professional services might range from several hundred to several $1,000s, and that's why if you refer a sale that closes, you will make a lot of money. The best part is that your profit margin stays the same whether a customer spends $100 or $3,000 on a service. There is still a way for you to reliably bring in $150 per week. It makes no difference to us what services they end up purchasing. That's right, you can make a flat $150 commission by promoting any of these specific types of services. From website design to e-commerce development and web programming, and even much more. If you can refer just one person who makes one sale a day, you have the potential to earn $150 a day. Which is insane, right? Simply point them in the direction of these Fiverr Pro services. Honestly, it's a far superior strategy to working as a freelancer on Fiverr. It's a drag that you have to put in a lot of effort, learn a lot, and wait around for people to buy your services. But as a partner, we don't do that. We'll have to settle for affiliate commissions from Fiverr. This brings me to my second method of making money, which I will now demonstrate. One common name for it is Fiverr Hybrid. They're only going to give you $10 in commission rather than the usual hundreds. The company will pay you $10 regardless of the service you recommend and will split 10% of their annual income with you. Let me give you a scenario now. So let's say that a consumer you refer to this service ends up purchasing it. Even if you're only making $10 a month, you'll get 10% of all the money you spend in a year. Therefore, even though the most amount you can make is $10, you will still make 10% of all the commission they spend. So that's everything you need to know about how commissions work. So what do you think about Fiverr's affiliate program? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's not keep you waiting. Now, back to the video. But of course, we won't let you get away without knowing how to maximize your earning potential as a Fiverr affiliate. I have for you 3 ways to promote your referrals. The first thing you have to do is to choose a service to focus on. For example, logo design. It is much simpler to make a sale in this category, and there is a great deal of demand in the market right now. When I click on this category, and from there, that's going to take me to this page. As you can see, we have access to a variety of different packages here. You can make the same amount of commission whether you sell an expensive bundle or a cheap package. We can help them out more if we point them in the direction of a more affordable plan, such as this one right here, for instance. It all boils down to picking this service plan right now. Plus, you'll be able to check out the package's rating and customer reviews. It's a smart move before recommending them to a future client, so make sure they measure up. Here's a fantastic suggestion for helping you advertise these seller services. The first option is to use a forum where there is an active discussion and many potential clients are looking to hire designers. Here is where you may send them to Fiverr Pro and make $150. You may sign up for Reddit without spending a dime by visiting the website. You can run a search for your question on Reddit search box, and if you type in something like, "I need a logo designer," you'll get a list of all the results for people who are seeking logo designers. When that happens, you and I may step in and point them in the direction of these services on Fiverr. You don't have to put in much effort at all. All you need to do is provide a straightforward response to that question on Reddit. After that, you can simply repeat the procedure and even offer help with other services, such as graphic design or programming. You can start making a commission of $150 right away. Not many people seem to be aware of this, but I believe it to be a fantastic opportunity for you, and it costs nothing to get started. I actually like the Fiverr CPA method better because I can get the one-time commission right away. This will allow me to receive payments more quickly. That's the commission structure and potential earnings from being a Fiverr affiliate in a nutshell. So, that's it for today. Aren't you excited about the money-making strategy we have for you today? Share your thoughts, or if you followed along, let us know about your experience in the comment section below. Thank you very much for supporting. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet, and make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck, and see you in our next video.